Sometimes we want to know a little bit more about a web page. We can inspect the web page with developer tools if we're in a browser that's using Chromium, like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, which is what I'm using. I'm in Edge today, or Firefox. The process is pretty much the same. We can open the developer tools by pressing F12, alternatively by pressing Control-Shift-I, or if you really just want to go to the menu, it's under More Tools and then down here at the bottom. Once we're in here, what we want to first do is click over here, or you can do Control-Shift-C to this Inspect Element tool. And in this page, this is an Amazon influencer page. I just want to know how many videos are up here. So I want to click on one of these, and it'll go to this Elements tab. And we can see that I clicked an image, which is a part of these divs, which folds up all the way to part of this div right here. And it looks like this is what I'm looking for, because as you scroll through here, you can see the correct element up there at the top highlight. So I just want to double click in here and copy this class name, because the thing I'm going to do is now go to the console. And if we want to clear this, we can type clear with parentheses, make this nice and pretty. And then we can say document getElementsByClassName, and then we paste between parentheses and then between quotation marks that class name. And as you can see, as we scroll up, it actually knows that's an HTML collection of 751 items. Wow. Way to go, Kathleen. 751 videos. Impressive. So that's how many there are. If we questioned this for some reason, let's clear this again. We could say let items equal document getElementsByClassName. So we now have this variable called items that we can then go and just type in the method length, and that'll say, hey, 751. Hope that's helpful. Like, subscribe, all the good stuff. Thanks, and goodbye.